Say we proudly wear our green, with shining eyes and faces clean, waving flags with happy cheer. Pakistan's big day is here. Summer 14th August is here again. Smiles and laughter everywhere. Let's all shout with love and pride. Long live Pakistan, far and wide. Streets are filled with colors bright, flowers blooming left and right. Little children, big and small, love their country, one and all. So we proudly wear our green, with shining eyes and faces clean, waving flags with happy cheer. Pakistan's big day is